the 3x3 beginning tutorial part 4, we will learn about the second layer. So the second layer, if you want to insert a piece to the left, use U prime, A prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And if you're inserting to the right, then use U, R, U prime, R prime, U, F prime, U, F. So if you have the jammed case, then do either of the above and then follow this step again. And I'll explain that later. So right now, if you're inserting, so first line a piece that you're inserting with a side center. So this is aligned and then this is blue. So I want to insert it to here. So this is inserting to the left. So to the left, use the top algorithm, U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F. So you have that inserted. Now, this one is also to the left. So, U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So you have that inserted. If you have a case where you're inserting to the right, so this is line and this is red, so you're inserting to the right. So now do the right algorithm, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, F prime, U, F. And there. If you have a jam case like this, where you have that flipped, I call that jammed, do use either of the above. So let's do the to the left. And then you will have that out. And then insert it in back again. So this one is to the right. And you'll have it inserted. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video for more upcoming videos. Bye!